is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2024 Topps Chrome Baseball Monster 2-box eBay break. September 12th, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Insight 777856 with the Pirates, Rangers, Mariners, and Giants. DELVIKE with the Braves, Royals, Dodgers, Angels, Diamondbacks, and Athletics. MIC MOCA underscore 28 with the Rays, Cardinals, Padres, Phillies, Blue Jays, and Mets. BRILKER with the Reds, JHAZZ 2021 with the Orioles, Davey-2502 with the Yankees. BRABER underscore 5771 with the Tigers. KERZ underscore US underscore ZPEUTKK2 with the Brewers, and DANWY-22 with the Red Sox and your Cubs. That is your full lineup. All right, we've got our 2 boxes. 1, 2. 2024 Topps Chrome Baseball Monster. Here we go, guys. Box number 1 coming at you. Plastic coming off. All right, let's get our box open here, guys. We got 7 packs per box. 7 packs per box. Empty box. All right, here we go. Box number 1, pack number 1, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We got a Kerkering rookie there. We got a Cody Thunderberg rookie. We got C.J. Abrams. We got an Andrew Sal Frank rookie. That is a Ray Wave, too. We've got a Max Scherzer Refractor, X-Fractor, Bryce Terang. Pack number 2. Pack number 2. Here we go. Got a Rooshman. Nice Rooshman there. Machado. Aaron Nola. Future Stars. Yoshida. Mazataka Yoshida. Nice Future Stars for the Red Sox. Yoshida there. Very nice. Sandy Alcantara X-Fractor. And a nice Alonso X-Fractor, too, for the Mets. Pack number 3. We got Basabi rookie. Cody Bellinger. We got Jameer Candelario. We've got an Anthony Rizzo. Lane Thomas Refractor and an X-Fractor. Brandon Nemo. Pack number 4. Pack number 4. Wyatt Langford rookie. Jose Rodriguez rookie. We got Elias Diaz. Summertime in the Park insert. Mr. Aaron Judge. Very nice, Judge. Summertime in the Park. Very nice. The Yanks. Cal Raleigh Prism and a Esteury Ruiz. Esteury Ruiz. X-Fractor there as well. Pack number 5. Pack number 5. We got a Montez rookie. Another nice Judge there. Jeff McNeil. Evan Carter rookie Ray Wave. X-Fractor Zach Wheeler. And a Josh Hader X-Fractor as well. Pack number 6. Owen White rookie. Got a Pena. Seth Lugo. Nice Altuve. Tatis Jr. That's a refractor there. And a Nolan Arenado X-Fractor there as well. All right, guys, last pack here. Pack number 7 out of box number 1 here. Here we go. And we got an Andy Rodriguez rookie, Spencer Steer. We got an Adams there. Ooh, nice Acuna Jr. Strokes insert. Nice Acuna there. Very nice. X-Fractors, Brandon Lowe and Max Scherzer on your X-Fractors. Box number 2. Here we go. Plastic coming off. Box number 2. Let's get our packs out here. Empty box. All right, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 2. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Pack number 1, box number 2. We got a Connor Phillips rookie. We got a Ratio there. Yu Darvish, Blake Snell, Ray Wave, Spencer Torkelson, Refractor, and a Chris Sale X-Fractor. Pack number 2. We got a Kirk Herring again, rookie there. Javier Baez. Oh, nice Goldschmidt. How about Ellie De La Cruz, rookie Strokes. Nice Ellie Strokes. Congrats to the Reds. Real nice hit there. Gunnar Henderson. Another nice Gunnar Henderson there. X-Fractor for the Orioles. And Matt Olson, X-Fractor as well. Real nice Ellie there. Strokes. Nice Ellie. Pack number 3. Pack number 3. We've got a Thunderberg rookie. Basabi rookie. There's a Bobby Witt Jr. Dolis Garcia. Kerry Carpenter Refractor. And an Anthony Rendon X-Fractor. Pack number 4. There's a Trout. Mackenzie Gore. George Springer. Summertime in the Park. Francisco Lindor for the Mets. Nice Summertime in the Park insert there. Brandon Walter, rookie Prism, and a Jared Jones X-Fractor rookie. Pack number 5. Pack number 5. We've got a Wyatt Langford rookie, Kettle Marte, Stephen Kwan, Teoscar Hernandez. That's a Ray Wave there. X-Fractor on Jerez Jimenez there. And a Spencer Torkelson X-Fractor as well. Pack number 6. Pack number 6. Jose Rodriguez rookie. Coco Montez rookie. We got a Riley Green. Trey Turner. Freddie Freeman Refractor. And a Kerry Carpenter X-Fractor. Last pack. Here we go. Owen White rookie. Got a Verdugo there. Starling Marte. Future Stars, Riley Green. Nice Future Stars, Riley Green insert there for the taggers. Freddie Freeman, X-Fractor, and Yuri Perez, X-Fractor. I want to thank everyone so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. All cards do ship here at Cardboard Hobby, by the way. All cards do ship. When we do have more Topps Chrome breaks coming up, don't miss out on those. We do have a fantastic break schedule tomorrow night and all weekend long. We also have breaks filling on our website, cardboardhobby.com. I will be sticking around. We still have 2 website breaks coming up tonight as well. Thank you so much again for all your support, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Please be smart, be safe out there.